All right, let's see. Futures. Let's add this to the chart and let's see what this looks like. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Hey, that's pretty cool right there. I'll give me it. It's always like that, bro. That's the whole reason why I got into trading futures. Hey, what do you think about that? This is pretty cool, right? Like if you want to take the long, but why are we taking the long? Can we? Oh, okay. That's pretty neat, right? That's a 2 to 1 to reward. So, all right, what if I want to do 3 to 1? That's kind of cool, right? Have to play with it to test it out for a while. Yeah, yeah. If you're trying to figure it out on the fly, what would that look like? You know, it would all be about the crucial point here would be you'd have to be patient to take the trade, not get all trigger happy because you see a stop limit and a take profit, right? So that ultimately is going to be what you're going to have to deal with. But, pretty neat nonetheless. We've been able to kind of flip through it and stuff. And then let's see, we want to say number of contract. And that right there will tell you what you're shooting for in a profit. I think that is actually kind of neat, though. You know that? It would be interesting if there would be a way to lock it, though, right? Like if I want to lock it to where that's where we're gonna be, instead of having it constantly move. Lock the stop limit and take profit. Let's see if we can do this. We're gonna see if we can add a way to lock this. Like if I wanted to take this, I can do that or lock it up there. I tell you guys, working with the I'm not even logged in right now, so it's all good. Like say for instance, I want to get this and I want to take the entry here. I want the entry to be here, stop to be here, and the take profit to be like right about where we're here. Ah, okay. We got a freeze box to this. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna see how this looks now. Are we still okay, this is still an indicator. All right, cool. Supposed to be a freeze. How's that work? Let's see. Put your stop there. Put your take profit right there. I mean, the bad thing is it's not locking though. Maybe trail the stop. Well, now it's stopped. Now it's stopped. It stopped right there. Mina, look, it stopped. Okay, so this did work. Hey, that's pretty cool, right? Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool, right? So that did work. Mina, look there, it stopped again. Yeah, that is pretty neat. I like it. I like it. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Sell it. Oh, that would be wrong now. Interesting. What else could we add to it though? You know, I wonder if we could make this to where this could trigger with crossovers. You know what I'm saying, tomorrow? Like if we wanted to select to use like crossovers for this to for this to show up when you see a crossover. Push the candle close. We don't have that option on this. Oh, I forgot we're doing the podcast Skycast today, right? Shoot. Hmm. Okay. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna work that out. I'm gonna adjust the code like you guys said. So we're gonna work on that right now. So I'm gonna include to use candle close. Now I want to add an option that we can trigger this when we get a crossover of the 20 is a law for those guys in there. And a momentum to use it. See, now you guys are really thinking outside the box. And you know, that's ultimately what you want to do. You want to throw everything in the kitchen sink and you're in a need this thing price move us to be making money. We're losing. But you could sell it and give me a kickback because, you know, I'm just a starving Mexican dude, you know? Just some dude playing another dude. Just some dude playing another dude trying to trade some stocks. We're gonna add a chop indicator to this to make it really, really, really spicy. So that's the next part. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. I'm coding here.